Welcome back to Trend Cars, the place where future machines meet real-world passion. If you love extreme vehicles, luxury on wheels, and machines built to go anywhere on Earth, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into something absolutely insane, a rolling fortress that redefines adventure travel. This is the 2026 Mercedes Zetros Motorhome, a vehicle built for people who refuse to choose between comfort and the wild. Imagine waking up in the middle of a desert, a frozen mountain range, or a remote jungle trail, and still enjoying the comfort of a five-star hotel suite. That is exactly the promise of the 2026 Mercedes Zetros Motorhome. Based on the legendary Mercedes Zetros truck platform, this motorhome is not designed for highways and campgrounds only. It is designed to conquer the planet. The Zetros platform itself is famous for military-grade toughness. Mercedes originally built the Zetros for extreme conditions, humanitarian missions, and off-road logistics. For 2026, this platform has been transformed into a luxury expedition motorhome without losing its brutal strength. The result is a vehicle that looks unstoppable and feels unstoppable. From the first glance, the Zetros Motorhome looks massive and commanding. The high ground clearance, huge off-road tires, reinforced bumpers, and wide stance instantly tell you that this machine is ready for anything. The front design keeps the classic Mercedes truck identity with a bold grille, large headlights, and a powerful presence that dominates any terrain. This is not a vehicle that blends in. It announces its arrival wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Zetros Motorhome is expected to feature a powerful diesel engine, likely a 6-cylinder or 8-cylinder turbo diesel designed for extreme torque rather than speed. This engine is built to pull massive weight, climb steep inclines, and keep moving even in the harshest conditions. Paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and a permanent all-wheel drive system, the Zetros feels unstoppable off-road. One of the most impressive features is the advanced off-road drivetrain. Locking differentials, low-range gearing, and advanced traction control allow this motorhome to crawl over rocks, sand, mud, and snow with confidence. Water crossings, steep hills, and uneven ground are no longer obstacles. They become part of the adventure. Despite its size, Mercedes has focused heavily on driver comfort and control. The cabin is elevated, offering excellent visibility of the road ahead. The steering is designed to feel stable and precise, even when navigating tight trails. This is a vehicle you can trust in places where help may be hundreds of kilometers away. Now let us step inside, because this is where the Zetros Motorhome truly shocks everyone. The interior feels nothing like a truck. It feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. High-quality materials, modern lighting, and intelligent design transform this rugged machine into a comfortable living space. The living area is spacious and thoughtfully laid out. There is a comfortable seating area that can be used for relaxing, dining, or working remotely. Large windows provide natural light and stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you are parked in the mountains or by the ocean, the scenery becomes part of your home. The kitchen is fully equipped for long expeditions. You get a full-size refrigerator, induction or gas cooking system, microwave, and plenty of storage for food and supplies. High-quality countertops and smart storage solutions make cooking on the road easy and enjoyable. This is not camping food. This is real cooking anywhere in the world. The bedroom area offers a comfortable full-size bed with premium mattress support. After a long day of driving or exploring, rest becomes effortless. Insulation and climate control systems ensure a quiet and comfortable sleep, even in extreme temperatures. Hot deserts and freezing nights are handled with ease. The bathroom is another highlight. Unlike basic RV bathrooms, the Zetros Motorhome offers a proper shower, toilet, and sink with high-end fittings. Water systems are designed for long-term independence, with large fresh water tanks, advanced filtration, and efficient waste management systems. This allows weeks of off-grid living without compromise. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 model. The motorhome is expected to include advanced control panels that manage power, water, lighting, and climate systems. Solar panels, battery banks, and possibly hybrid support systems ensure energy independence in remote locations. This vehicle is built for people who want to disconnect from cities without giving up. Modern convenience, safety is also taken seriously. The Zetros platform is known for its strong chassis and reinforced cabin. Modern driver assistance features such as stability control, hill descent control, advanced braking systems, and multiple airbags provide confidence on and off the road. When you are traveling to extreme locations, peace of mind matters, one of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Mercedes Zetros Motorhome is customization. Buyers can tailor the interior layout, materials, technology, and even exterior equipment based on their needs. Whether you are an extreme adventurer, a documentary filmmaker, or a luxury traveler seeking privacy, this motorhome can be built to match your lifestyle. Storage space is massive. External compartments can carry spare tires, fuel, water,